It is a huge day for Higgsfield users because they just dropped Higgsfield Supercomputer. This is basically an all-in-one AI agent baked directly into Higgsfield. You can use Claude, Gemini, or OpenAI models and connect all of your tools like Slack, Notion, and Google Drive in one place. Then you can actually talk to all of them and run full creative workflows from a single conversation. So today I'm going to walk you through what it is, how to set it up, and a few quick examples of how you can start using Higgsfield Supercomputer right now. Alright. So first, let's get into what Higgsfield Supercomputer actually is. They're saying it is the first ever cloud-native self-learning AI agent for end-to-end task execution. It also has over 40 built-in tools with 3 layers of memory. You can access it via the browser or by using Telegram, so you will be able to use this tool through your phone if you connect it with Telegram. It is powered by the Hermes agent. Now, if you don't know what Hermes agent is, it is basically one of the most powerful AI agents, and it is also open source. They were able to use it and enhance the agent specifically for these types of content creation tasks, so you can already understand how good this tool is going to be. Now, to use this tool, you need to come to higgsfield.ai, and thereafter just click on the supercomputer button here, and you will automatically be able to use this specific tool. Or you can just search higgsfield.ai/supercomputer, and you will also get access to the tool. Now, before moving forward, I do have to tell you that Higgsfield did sponsor this video, but all the opinions about the Higgsfield Supercomputer are my own. Here you also get a few prompts that you can test out to understand what this agent can do, like generating a 30-second cinematic action scene with my characters, and then you are just going to upload the character pictures here. But we are not going to use any of the prompts here, as we are going to create our own prompts. So the first test that I want to do here is to see how much this agent can help me in creating an ad campaign for a product that I am going to be selling. I am just going to be uploading this picture of an imaginary cereal brand that I created. What I'm going to do is basically ask the agent to create a few professional images showcasing my product for an ad campaign, creating 5 to 6 different images for my product. So to do that, let's provide the AI agent with this prompt. Now, as you can see, this is a very simple prompt, but let's see what the agent can do from this. The agent is right now visualizing the image here, and it is also using an image generation skill to generate the best images. Higgsfield has also put their best skills specifically for this content creation stuff into their agent, and these skills are built in so you don't even need to create your own skills. First, the AI agent analyzed our Crunchy product, and it is describing what it has learned from the image. Now it is going to create all the images. Now it seems the AI agent has finished writing all the prompts for the images that it is going to generate of our product, and it is asking me for approval to generate the images. So I'm just going to click on generate here, and it will automatically start to generate the images. Alright, so our AI agent has finished generating all the images, and it generated 6 images as we asked in our prompt. You can see every single image here is very professional and looks very good, especially this image, as it clearly looks like a brilliant ad campaign image. It has also created variations, and it has taken into account the environments in which people are going to eat the product. If you go camping somewhere, you can take this cereal and eat it as your breakfast on a mountain or in a forest. Every image here is very cool. Even in this instance, there is a newspaper besides the cereal box, which makes people think that they should eat the cereal while reading the newspaper in the morning. It is very impressive how the AI agent actually thought through the whole campaign and showed our products in different situations that people are going to relate to, which will thereby increase the sales of our product. So I have to say, for this specific prompt, the agent worked very well. Another good thing here is that to create these images individually, it would take me around 30 to 40 minutes, as I have to write the prompt manually, think through how to create the images, and then generate them one by one. But here, everything was done within 2 minutes. So now let's see whether the AI agent will be able to create really good UGC videos for our product, as I think UGC videos are the best way to sell your product. So let me just ask the AI model, hey, now what I want to do is create 2 UGC videos for Instagram of Instagram models promoting this product. Now here, as you can see, this is also a pretty vague prompt, but let's see how well the video turns out to be. The thing here is that the agent has a skill for almost every type of content creation, so it is just going to use its UGC skill to create the best UGC video for our product. Now it is asking me how long each UGC video should be. I'm just going to go with 15 seconds here and see what kind of video we get. Alright, so the AI agent has finished generating our 2 videos. Now the most interesting thing here is that the agent did not just provide a prompt to another AI video model to generate the videos. First, it generated these 2 images of 2 different Instagram models who are going to be the promoters of our product. Then it created a storyboard for the different scenes of the UGC video, and then what the agent did was put the 2 different storyboards that it created into Seedance 2 and generated the UGC videos. Best part here is that it created the image of the character character first, so I will be able to use the same UGC characters again and again if I want to. So now let's see the two videos that the agent has created.
Found this small batch cereal called Crunchy Quest, and it's non-GMO, maple pecan. The crunch is unreal, every single bite. This replaced my entire breakfast routine, no lie.
This video was quite good, but there are a few problems. The character had her mouth open all the time, even when she wasn't speaking, so the video really did not make that much sense. Now this is because of the video generator that the AI agent used, and the video generator messed up the video here, but that honestly happens sometimes when you are creating AI videos. Here's the second video that the agent generated.
Crunchy Quest just dropped this maple pecan cereal, and the clusters are insane. Like actual crunchy boulders of maple and pecan. Plus they throw in a wooden spoon. How cute is that?
Now, as you can see, this video is much better than the first video that I showed you. The character is actually talking when the sound is coming out, and the hook of the video is also pretty great. For the first 3 seconds, we can see a huge amount of movement, which captures our attention. The character also correctly speaks about the cereal throughout the video, so this was a much better video than the first one. As you can see, the best part here is that to create all this content for my product manually, it would take me at least 2 hours, but I got it done within 5 minutes. Now, another use case that I wanted to test out with this model was that it can supposedly create really good motion design. Just take a look at this video. Now, as you can see, that video was pretty insane. If the model can actually create these types of motion designs and explainer type videos in just a single prompt, that would be incredible. So let's see whether we can recreate a similar video using this agent. So I am just going to upload the video that was created by Higsfield as a reference and to ask the agent to create a similar explainer motion graphics video with the same art style. And I gave the AI agent the specific prompt. Create a similar explainer motion graphics video in a similar style. Make the explainer video about how our solar system works, add a natural voiceover, and make the motion graphics video around 25 seconds long. Now, this is a very simple prompt, but the key detail here is that I asked the AI model to add a natural voiceover and make the video around 25 seconds long. I specifically chose 25 seconds because you can usually only get 15-second videos on Cdance 2, so let's see whether the model can work around that 15-second limit of Cdance 2 and still create a great explainer motion graphics video like this one. Let's run the prompt and see what we get. Alright, so the AI agent has finished generating our video. Now this is exactly what it did. First, the agent created a reference style image for the color and aesthetics. Then it used that image to generate 2 separate videos using a video model and seamlessly connected them into this final video. So let's watch it.
Our solar system, 8 planets, 1 star, bound together by gravity. The inner worlds, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, small, rocky, and close to the sun. Beyond them, the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Between them, a belt of ancient rock. And all of it orbiting 1 star.
Now, I have to say, I was really impressed by this video generation. The voice stayed perfectly consistent throughout the whole video, which is pretty insane. You will notice a bit of visual distortion, but honestly, that is completely my fault. I gave it the most open-ended prompt possible. Also, this simplistic aesthetic isn't exactly ideal for a cosmic explainer video. It would work much better for topics like psychology or philosophy, rather than an actual scientific breakdown. For that, we'd really need much more detailed aesthetics, but still, this was incredibly good. To do this manually, it would have taken me days in After Effects, but the AI agent did it in just 3 to 4 minutes. So I have to say, the Higgsfield Supercomputer is pretty insane. That is about it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and hey, don't forget to check out Higsfield using the link in the description.